As healthcare providers, we have to care for ourselves, and it's absolutely necessary to recognize our need to be healthy. It can sometimes be all consuming, and in times like this, it can be completely consuming because of everything around us. It is challenging when, your essential staff to have mandatory time that you're working, and finding ways to take small breaks and get in the rest that you need, balancing nutrition, and making certain that you're taking care of yourself, because if you are not healthy, how can you help others? So it's absolutely necessary to do that. Some of the ways that healthcare providers can take care of themselves are making certain that they have enough rest, taking a walk, getting away from an environment, and then being able to re-enter it, play a game, engage in a conversation, so that you can balance the stress of the environment without it overwhelming you. Oftentimes, you get to a point where you're close to or teetering on burnout. And to avoid it, you do have to give yourself permission in order to be comfortable to take time away for yourself. And realize that if you are not sound, if you are not healthy, you can't give yourself to others.